Hi friends, in this video we will introduce you to a very useful video making tool known as Biteable. It markets itself as a one-stop shop to create outstanding videos using the available images and video templates. This is the perfect tool to create effective advertising, commercial and campaign videos in minutes. So let's start by going to biteable.com and click on Sign Up for free. You are directed to a sign up page where you can either sign up with your name, email ID and password or via your Google or Facebook account. After the sign up, a dashboard appears where you will find a menu tab with options Templates, My Videos and Start with an Empty Video. Let's start and explore the Templates tab. When you scroll down, you will find many different video templates at your disposal, like animation, presentations, promo ads, or you can even use the search option to choose a template that is best suited for you. I have opted to go with Start with Empty Video option so that I can choose by the preferred video resolution. So let's choose 16:9 video resolution and then click Continue. You are then directed to a page with varied options in animations, videos and images, which you can then add to your favorite, and uploads, which will feature in your video. Here I'm going with the option Video and Images in the search option. And I will search for Learn from Home, which gives you over 100 search results. After choosing an appropriate image or video, click on the Edit Video button on the bottom for further editing options, like adding captions to video, adding logo, and adding audio. Now it's time to explore the tools to make your video more attractive. Let's add a caption for the video by clicking on the three dots just above the video or image. On the right side of the page, you will see options to edit text properties like text styling, font size, bold, line height, text color, background color, alignment, and add animated effects for the text. Now let's add the logo for the video by clicking the three dots just above the video or image scene. This will provide the option to add logo and add text inside the video editor. Double click on the Add Logo inside the video editor and you will notice the option to upload a logo on your right hand side. Click the Upload button. You will be able to find a tab to upload a logo from a local drive or choose an existing logo. After choosing logo, you can find logo properties on the right side of the video editor. Click Upload to insert your logo. Click the Adjust logo for adjusting scale, background color of the logo, and bring animations to the logo. After making the changes, click on Save Changes. Now let's add audio to the video by clicking on the music logo just below the video scene. Choose audio from the Biteable library, or else you have the option to upload your own audio from the local drive. After selecting audio, click on the Save option. To add more scenes to the video, click on the Add Scene option on the bottom right side of the page and on the top left option to add. You can either add from the Biteable video library or upload video from the local drive. Here you can see an option to change the video frame scale, option to replace background and background color as well. Now to understand the options on the left side of the page, we have the Add option, which will help you navigate the video template library. The Style option will navigate you to explore options like text style, text color, ribbon color, background color. The Edit option will direct you to the video editor where you find the option to add caption, logo, audio, and video scene. Finally, by clicking on the Export option, you can find the option to copy link, share, preview page, or download videos. Let's briefly look into that. With copy link, share a link with someone who has an account with Biteable, which will allow them to watch your videos. Share the video on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or LinkedIn. With the preview page, you can preview your video before sharing it with someone or posting on social media channels. If you wish to download the video, click on the download video option and you can download the video to your local drive. Here are some payment options that will help you use Biteable to its maximum ability and to create wonderful videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.